I have no makeup on because I'm about to do my makeup, but this video is an unboxing of jewelry that I just recently bought from Hot Topic. And I will say that I cheated a little bit because I got into this pair of earrings and wore them yesterday. I absolutely love them. They are beautiful. They have that mushroom, they have the black onyx crystals. Beautiful. I wore them yesterday. You see how they hang down a good bit. They're very noticeable. Absolutely love them. So here's some more, and it's going to be hard to keep getting tangled up. Alright, so these are all, they look like tools or little nuts and bolts, and they have the safety pins and stuff like that. Really cool, really very much goes with my gothic aesthetic while still being appropriate for work because it doesn't have any symbols like a pentagram or anything like that. I might actually get into some of these today to wear to work. But there are more. Let me show you. So these are mismatched earrings. A fishbowl on one side and a skull and cross on the other. And just in case I didn't want to end up wearing them mismatched like that, I bought two pairs so that I can wear them both the same. Now I know that is a trend to wear mismatched earrings, but I went ahead and bought two just in case. Alright, here's another another set of quite gothic looking earrings. They're all weapons except for the rose. I don't, and the heart. I don't know where those two fit in, but all the rest of these are weapons, and this is another mismatched set. And because of that, because they are a mismatched set, I did buy a second of those as well, just in case. And some of them are falling off. I hope that doesn't mean they broke. Alright, one of them fell off in the bag, but yeah. So again, I bought two of those so that I can match them if I wanted to. These are amazing. I'm worried that they're going to be a little too heavy, but these are Dungeons and Dragons dice earrings. They're kind of heavy, yeah, but when I saw those, I was like, absolutely, yes, I have to have them. Right, now here is a pair that broke in shipment, apparently, but I should be able to add the little butterfly back on. But here it is, beautiful black and white and silver, those are my colors, and red, just throw a little red in there, but the butterfly broke off of this one here. I should be able to fix that with no problem. That's not hard to do. So that was it for the jewelry haul. Very short video, no makeup. I'm about to film another video doing the makeup in a minute. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.